Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for haircut help and what you can do to make haircuts go more smoothly and successfully for your child. This is one video in a very big playlist, so please check out all the strategies to see which one or which ones make sense. Now, if you have a younger child, role-playing haircutting can be a wonderful preparation and experience. It's sort of like role-playing going to a doctor. You know, it's the same idea where you talk about waiting, pretend you're doing some chair sitting, and then have the touch sort of be provided to your child. Of course, you're not using a real scissor, but the idea is that you're making some sounds, you're manipulating the hair, you're getting right around the head region. So you're just giving your child more familiarity with the proximity with someone being in that space. So if you haven't done any role playing, give it a try. It can be very successful for young children. Role playing can just give them a sense of expectations and a sense of control, and then have them, be the hairdresser just to get a feel for how they're perceiving things and how they're taking it in. So this can be wonderfully fun and, again, just a prep for hair cutting. So try role playing with the young children and see how it goes.
In my mind. You're a drive real slow.